If you're struggling to figure out where to host your course, membership, or digital products, you've probably seen the names ThriveCart, Kajabi, LearnWorlds, all of those thrown around. Both are really powerful, but they're built for very different kinds of business owners. In this video, I'm breaking down the real differences, cost, features, and who each one is best for. So by the end, you'll know exactly which platform is best for you. I've linked both platforms below, along with my beginner setup guides and full tutorial videos. You'll also find my affiliate links, which come with a free offer launch toolkit bonus to help you get started. Check out the description. I have tons of free resources for you down below. First is ThriveCart. So ThriveCart is a powerful checkout and sales platform for creators who sell digital products, memberships, and even physical products. You can create professional checkout pages, add order bumps, offer one-click upsells, and set up payment plans. It includes ThriveCart Learn Plus, which is where you're going to host your courses right in the platform. And you can also host your memberships there as well. So all in one place. If you want to take things further, there's also an optional Pro Plus upgrade with advanced features like affiliate tracking, automatic sales tax, and detailed reporting. The main plan is a one-time payment for lifetime, which is so cool. And this is the only platform that I've seen this where it is lifetime. They do also have a Pro Plus upgrade. That's an annual subscription, and that offers a ton of additional tools as well. Next is Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that lets you build and sell courses, memberships, digital products all under one roof as well. But you can also create your website, set up your email marketing, build landing pages, and even host a private community inside Kajabi. It's a subscription-based platform with tiered pricing, so you pay monthly for access to everything. Kajabi is great if you want to simplify and prefer to keep all of your tools in one place rather than piecing them together in different programs. Let's take a look at a side-by-side comparison of ThriveCart and Kajabi. ThriveCart focuses on checkout, sales funnels, and hosting your courses or memberships through Learn Plus. Kajabi is designed to be an all-in-one platform and handles everything from your website to your email marketing and community. ThriveCart does have a ton of integrations, so that way you can connect your email or your website to tools you already use and keep full control of the setup. Kajabi, on the other hand, gives you everything under one roof, but it does have an ongoing subscription. The big deciding factor is what matters most to you. Do you want flexibility and ownership at a lower long-term cost, or do you want the convenience of having all of your tools in one place? Here's the key differences of ThriveCart versus Kajabi. ThriveCart gives you flexibility and control. You can connect your favorite tools, customize your checkout pages, and use features like upsells, order bumps, and affiliate tracking to boost your sales. While Kajabi is more structured, it handles everything under one login: website, email, course hosting, and community. But you trade off some of the customization for that convenience. ThriveCart also stands out because of its pricing model. You pay once for the main platform, then you have the option to upgrade to Pro Plus annually for extra features like affiliate management, advanced reporting. Kajabi works on a monthly or annual subscription, which can add up over time. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where the differences really add up. ThriveCart is a one-time payment for lifetime access. You can also upgrade to Pro for an annual fee that locks in features like affiliate tracking, automatic sales tax, and advanced reporting. Even with that upgrade, you're still saving thousands compared to a monthly subscription. At the time of this recording, with ThriveCart, you're looking at $495 for the base with my affiliate link down below in the description, or about $695 with Pro Plus. And then with Kajabi, you're looking at $1,400 to $4,800 depending on the plan that you buy. Kajabi starts around $190 a month and can go up to nearly $400 depending on the plan. The nice thing is that Kajabi includes built-in email marketing, so you're not going to be paying for that email platform. That can be a money saver if you prefer everything in one place. Personally, I use Flowdesk for my emails, which costs only a couple $100 a year and keeps things really simple. I'll link Flowdesk below, and with my link, you can save 50% off your first year. So while Kajabi is an all-in-one setup and can simplify your tech, ThriveCart's lifetime access still ends up being far more affordable long-term, especially if you already have email or website tools that you love. Who is each platform best for? ThriveCart is ideal for creators who want flexibility, control, and lifetime access to their tools. It's great if you enjoy customizing your setup and you don't mind connecting your own email or website platforms like Flowdesk or WordPress. I do have full tutorials on how to do this with ThriveCart. So I have a full ThriveCart tutorials playlist that I'll have linked for you as well. Now, Kajabi works best for those who want everything under one roof and everything connected. You get your website, email, courses, and community all under one login, which is less tech to manage. ThriveCart's pricing model is a one-time optional Pro Plus annual upgrade, while Kajabi runs on a monthly or annual subscription. Kajabi includes email marketing, which is helpful, but with ThriveCart, you can connect tools you already use and love. The main difference comes down to your comfort level. Do you want control and ownership or simplicity and ease? When it comes to sales and marketing, ThriveCart is built for flexibility, while Kajabi is built for simplicity. ThriveCart lets you customize your checkout, add one-click upsells and order bumps, or even run affiliate programs through the Pro Plus plan. You can connect your favorite email tool to create full marketing sequences. Kajabi's checkout is built right into their funnel system, which is convenient but less customizable. Its built-in email system is great if you prefer to manage everything inside one dashboard. If you want powerful sales tools that integrate with your current systems, ThriveCart wins. If you prefer everything in all in one place, Kajabi keeps things streamlined. When it comes to course experience and support, Kajabi definitely takes the lead in polish, while ThriveCart keeps things simple and straightforward. ThriveCart Learn Plus gives you clean, easy to navigate layouts for lessons and videos, which is great for getting your course live fast, but it doesn't have a built-in community. Now, you can easily connect it to platforms like Facebook or Circle if you want that added engagement. Kajabi, on the other hand, includes everything under one roof. You get a modern course builder, built-in community tools, detailed student analytics, automated progress tracking. It's designed to create smooth experience for both you and your students. In terms of support, both platforms are solid. ThriveCart offers tutorials, email support, and a very active Facebook group, while Kajabi provides 24/7 chat support, full onboarding help. If you want something quick and easy to set up, ThriveCart is perfect. If you want an all-in-one learning experience with more depth, Kajabi is a better fit. Here's my recommendations. If you want flexibility and control and a one-time payment that saves you thousands over time, ThriveCart is the way to go. It gives you everything you need to deliver and grow your online business without locking into a monthly subscription. ThriveCart is what I personally use, and I've been using it for about 4 years now, and I absolutely love it. Now, Kajabi is still a great choice if you prefer everything already connected. Your website, email, courses, all in one place. If you're ready to move forward, I have links to both platforms down below in the description. And with ThriveCart, you get my offer launch toolkit completely free. You'll also find a link to Flowdesk where you get 50% off your first year when you're starting your email list. I also have a few free resources down there, like my sales page template, setup guides to help you get started. They'll save you so much time and help you build your next offer. Now, if you want to see the differences between ThriveCart Standard and the Pro Plus upgrade, what you're getting for that $295 a year, check out this full breakdown in this video.